see you. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Carolyn. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're just as beautiful as Noah described.
Oh, thank you. This is my dog, Buddy.
Who is that?
Oh, this is my brother. That's just my brother, Matt. He's a little overprotective.
I don't like the looks of him. I don't know what his deal is.
Oh, let's take this to the dining room, shall we?
Let's.
Thank you.
Carolyn seems like a really nice girl.
Yeah, I mean, she seems nice, but are you sure her house is up to fire codes?
All right, and this is the dining room. Sit wherever you like.
Okay, let me get this for you.
Thank you. Sit here.
Hey, thanks, man. Oh my god.
Leave him alone. Oh, that must be the food. I'll get it. Here we go.
That's really good.
Oh, he's serving.
Yes, can I please have your recipe?
Oh, thank you. It's ragu.
What I'm really wondering is, did you use fire safety while cooking?
Yeah, I'm a firefighter and she's a nurse, so fire safety is really important to us.
Mom, Dad, stop embarrassing me like that. You always do this.
I only want to make sure she's safe. We'll just ask her a few questions.
Well, I think everything's going okay so far. I mean, I'm a little nervous. My parents are kind of embarrassing me with all their fire safety. I mean, just want to have fun, you know.
Did you make sure to use only the burners you needed?
Now that I think about it, I was rushing around so much. I used all the burners. I guess that wasn't too safe. Cooking fires are the leading cause of home fires and home fire related injuries.
Were you careful not to be distracted while you were cooking?
Maybe I was distracted. Because I didn't think ahead, I was definitely multitasking. I was on my phone and straightening my hair while cooking. I should never overload electrical circuits that supply power to several outlets. It's a major cause of residential fires. The heat causes wear on the internal wiring system and can ignite a fire.
Were you careful with touching hot pots and pans?
Wow, I must have forgot to put oven mitts on too. I was rushing around so much. Protective mitten types are good for taking things out of the stove because they protect your hands from burns.
Did you make sure that all your fire alarms are working?
I know we have smoke alarms, but after daylight savings time, I totally forgot to change the batteries. Working smoke alarms give early warning of danger and are the single most important way to prevent fatal fires.
Now we know our fire safety.